Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I am located in Hartford, Connecticut. I do private tutoring for SAT, GRE, GMAT, one-to-one private tutoring. And I've also been putting the clips on the YouTube, which will show you the solution to math problems that appear in the 8th exam in this book. The SAT, the official SAT study guide. The official SAT study guide. You must have it. You have to purchase it if you don't have it from any of the bookstores or through me. Send me an email at www.prep4sat.com. prep4sat.com. The problem that I'm about to do is something that you will find in exam number 3, section number 2, page 521, question number 12. Question number 12. I've been doing 10 problems. There are 3 math sections in the exam. One math section contains 20 multiple choice questions. That's the section I've been working on. Exam number 1 I finished, exam number 2, and this is exam number 3. And out of the 20 questions, I've been doing just the 10 questions, the last 10, starting from number 20, going all the way up to number 11. So the next one is going to be number 11, and then after that you will see me in exam number 4. Anyway, let's begin then. But as you can see, the lower I go in numbers, starting from 20 all the way up to 19, 18, so on and so forth, the lower I go in a number, the easier the problem becomes. These problems are quite straightforward. I was debating back and forth whether I should do them or not. I was thinking about just doing the last 5, but then I decided to do the last 10 of each exam. Here we go. The idea simply is for you to be able to watch what I have to offer, watch my style of teaching, and if you think that this is something helpful, something that's worth your money, then you will buy the DVD which contains all the solutions. Okay, let's begin. Number 12. A list of numbers consists of p positive integers. Let me make a note here. So we have a list of numbers, and in the list, we have positive integers. How many? P. And n negative integers. Boy, it was very nice of the college board to give you the 2 symbols which are easy to remember. P for positive, N for negative. Usually they don't do that. They want to make your life as miserable as they can. I'm just being silly, of course. I'm being facetious. So here we go. What else do we know about this positive and negative? That's not enough. I need to know more. Oh, there you go. A number is picked at random from the list. The odds of picking the number, positive number, is 3/5. So let me make a date. Notice I have not been reading the problem verbatim. I have not been reading the problem verbatim, which is okay. It's not a big deal. Verbatim means word for word, and if you don't know this word, don't just leave it at that. Pick up a dictionary and learn it properly. It doesn't hurt. These are good words to know for the SAT. Anyway, I'm digressing. Oh, there we go again. Look up the word digress and learn it. Digress means to go off topic. So let me go back to where I am. The odds of picking a positive number is 3/5. Let me write here. The odds of picking a positive number is 3/5. I'm going to erase this now. Well, if the odds of picking a positive number, what they call the probability of choosing a positive number, which is same as saying the odds of picking a positive number is 3/5, well, then it follows that, well, I hope you know this symbol. This symbol means therefore. I hope you're also familiar with this symbol, which means Since, not as in time, not since 5 o'clock, but since as in logic. Okay, anyway. I didn't go since I didn't have the money. Because I didn't have the money, since in that sense. The odds of, because we are told that the odds of picking a positive number is 3/5, therefore it follows that the odds of picking a negative number must be what? 2/5, of course. Because it has to be 100% altogether, because that's what we have, positive numbers and negative numbers. The question simply is, what is the value of n over p? What's the value of n over p? N over p. Well, what does this say? What does this part tell you? Now, what does this part tell you? It tells me that out of every 5 numbers in this bag, 3 of them are positive and 2 of them are negative. That's the ratio. Ratio of positive numbers to negative numbers is 3 to 2. They are looking for the ratio of negative numbers to positive number. Well, big deal. Out of every 5 numbers, 2 of them have to be negative and 3 of them have to be positive. That's all. We are done. There's nothing to it. I'm done. The ratio of negative number to positive number has to be 2 to 3. Why? Because for every 2 negative numbers, we have to have 3 positive numbers. And the reason why we have to have 3 positive numbers for every 2 negative numbers is because we are told that the odds of picking a negative number is 2/5, 2 out of every 5, and odds of picking a positive number is 3/5, 3 out of every 5. That's all there was. Send me comments, post a comment on the YouTube if you like. Subscribe to the channel on the YouTube if you want to get these videos right away. And get hold of me if you would like to hire me for personal tutoring, or if you wish to purchase the DVD that will contain the solution to all the problems that you'll see in this particular section. But of course, I have DVDs for every math sections of all the 8 exams. Just write me an email and tell me which section you would like to purchase of what exam. Alright? Thank you.